Yeah.
This machine cnc-router-made-in-china for the auto tool change the machine. Now we start. This is the control box. Now we start the power. This one. Now the system will be with for a few minutes. It will be stopped. Now here how three tool is this time we do the program use the tools. These three. And before we working, we should be check the place. Is one is air compressor. Air should be about 0.6. This point. The air count sick, not slow and higher. Should be always this place. And here is auto set tool, this place. And all the tool put here. Now these three tools we put inside. It's based on your program. First tool is which one you put on the first. Put in the first one. This is the second one you put inside. This is the third one. This goes to be in here. Like this, put it here, it's okay. Now the signal system already starts. So here will be how the alarm. And you should follow this alarm and let it missing. First one is emergency stop. So now this one, emergency. We turn on, so it's missing. And we also should be checked is Y1 and Y2. These two is should be on, not should be off. If off, it also will be have the alarm. And also that side should be on. This one should be on. Okay, now is A not yet back home. The A is set is rotary. This one is rotary. It is the A. The A connected with from where is this one? This is the A, the connection. And this one is for the auto set tool, that place. This one is the vacuum pump. This one. This one is dust collector. And now we see A not yet back home. So now we press this one, home button, and then press this one. The A is moving, so the A already back home finished. And the Z, and we come together, and the Y, and the X. Okay. When all the machine, all the access already back home, here we will show you the all is the zero. The machine putting it here. All is the zero. And here we press this one. This button is controlled in this area. If you press this one, it's working. This one, it is hand view. It's using hand view. If this one press on, this no useful. It's no useful. Only this one is useful. It's working. And this place is for the speed. This speed slower, this higher. This is for spindle speed. Now spindle working.
打下来，看不见。
Now this one F1 is for the
看不见。
power.
看不开。
The speed slower. And this is the sound. Usually we press the spindle, the speed is pressing 100. And now stop. Okay, now we start to work the program first. Now we first should be is set the position where we start the work. Now we press this one. This place, doing this place is Y minus, and this place is X plus. So we set the origin is from this corner, from this place. And now the okay, now we set the X1 put here, and then go into the offsetting. This one. We do the program first. Use the C54. So use this one. Come to this place, and to use this. Use this. X, use the workpiece code, and then let me start. Yes, the X will become in, and the Y, the same, and the Z should be always 0, and this one, this place always a 0. Don't change it. Only this place X, Y, and using. And the next is that we tool had already put on, so we choose the program first. This one, CF card. This place have 2 points for the USB connect, so we can choose anyone. And here program, and here field manager, here field transfer, and field import. So this is CF card, so we choose from here too. We give it is this one, and then select this, and then copy. Because before I had already have this one, so just count it, it's okay. Okay. Now it's already come inside. You see this one, machine. So now we choose this one to start the work. This one, we press enter. This one, and also come in here. We can check what things it will be working. This figure is that we next will be working in this one. So before we working, we should be making sure that we use the auto set tool. So we click on this button. This button, the meaning is that the auto set tool, it will be working, have the function. If you are not use this one, it will be not going to auto set tool. So we click on this button. And now, next is this one, auto, and this one. this one, this one. The meaning this one is said, if the program is your first time to working, so this one you turn on. The meaning is that when you are using this one, it's working. If not using this one, it's not working. And another should be do is before it's working, you should be checked. It said the spindle 2 number is which one. So it should be here have 3 2. It said the 2 number should be not is 1 2 3. It's a student. It should be extra or 3 4 5. So this one is please. We change the 4 or 5 anyone. It's okay. This please. In the 4, it will be no problem. And so now we start to work. Now look, we're turning.
桌子没事吧，团长
？Now the meaning is said we set the 2 number it is 4. So now the meaning is that hey going to the 4th place for the lose the 2 and then going to this place the T1 to get the T1 the first 2. Now already lose the 2. Now the first 2 already pick up, so now it's going to auto setting the 2. It will be auto 3 times. First time it's simply, and second and third it will be setting finish. Okay. If you are not using the dust collector, we can let the F1 up, the cover, let the cover up. If we have a dust collector F1, we can use the dust collector. The first 2 now finished, so it's going to the T2. T2 this place to change the tools. Okay, the second tool finish. It's going to lose the second and going to take out the third. Okay, now it's working finish. So this one. Now when it's working finish, it will be back to the home place, zero place. So now that's all. We test the rotary. This is the rotary. We put on the machine. This one. Now we put on the machine. This one, power. This one. This one is the material. For example, this one is the material, and we use this one for do the video for test the machine. This one is a tool for test the why the rotary should be on one line. Use the spindle tester. 2 points on one line. This place and that place. Here on one line. Use the spindle tester. And this one clamp. When we test on one line finish and use the clamp and tight protect its moving. See. And this one. Here, this tool for the first time for cutting. First time. This one is the second time. This one not using for. Now the power already start. So we first give it a hole. The 4 is the rotary, and the Z, and the Y, and the X. Now already all things bare hole. Now we put on these two. Nearly the rotary use IMPE hand view. So this is the first point. So now we put in the eggs. Now this point also is joined together, so it is on one line. And then now come here. So this place is the waste center. So now we first to set up offset setting the way. Use this one. Over this port. Yes, this one. And then now we remove this one. Before this one, it's better we use this for keep it not moving the rotary. And this side also is one. Tighten it, not moving. Now it will be not sinking. So this is the center already. Now we take the material. Now this one not urine. Open this one. This one, the back side, this one. Now it's better. This one loose. And then let's going inside. Okay. And then tight this one. Use something to tight. It's not moving. And then use this one. Turn around and let this one keep it tight. It's not shaking like this. And then this one is for right round and tight it. This one will be not moving. Okay now. And then now we already keep the finish this blade. And now remove this one, come back. And then change the tool. So now this one not using. This is the first time for cutting the tool. And then we put on. This one we should be go to this place for to the audit. Usually we set the tool audit from the materials center. It's set from here, X, Y, Z. It's center from there to set up the audit. Now we go into there for set. At first, we had already set up the way. Because use the first tool, we set is here on one line. It is the materials Y center. So Y already set. So now we go set Z and the X. Z and the X. Now the Z now we can't set the center from here. Not so easy. So we from the top to set the center. And then after we from the water cord coordinates and do something that is moving. Now we from here to set. Before it's touched here, we should be make sure the Y is in the center. Here, we should be make sure the Y is in center. The Y is here, 1088.3. Here is 1087. So we let this number turn to this number. They are the same. The Y. Now the other same, so the Y already in center. So now we let the Z touch the surface. Z touch the surface. Okay. Now already touched the surface. So now we set the Z. This please. The Z. Workpiece. Cut. Yes. But the Z, now the Z not in the center. So it also has this diameter is half distance. So this diameter is the number, it is how much. And then we simply test. For example, simply test. This one is 40. So now, we from here. And let the Z come down 20. Diameter is half, 20. Minus 20. Then enter. Minus 20. So now it's set the Z, we set up finished. But we also should be checked is one place is two set. And this is the first two. Usually this one should be give it a 0. This one shouldn't have this place. Because when we do the program files, it usually use the two number is 1. So this it is the 0. If the second two we use the T2, so this one also will be 0. This place also will be 0. And this place is like this. And the next is we set up the X. X is set in the materials how long. It's center. Materials how long. For example, we use this one for test. We should be careful this place because the spindle if come here, it will be hit here. So we check this place. It is 280, 28, 280 mm, 280 mm, 280 mm. In case of it has a problem, so now we go to the let the Z up. Simply from here, and then going to this way, 140, and now this place coordinate, and we clear the relative. It will be 10 to 0, and then the X we back to 140 here. If the X 10 to 140, it should stop. So here already 140. So now it here this place is the X center, material center. So now we go to offsetting. Set the X workpiece cut. Yes, this number. So now it's set everything already set up finished. But one thing we should be notice, it is we should be making sure the rotary it contain 360 degree. And the right turn it contains so much, and the left turn it also will be contain so much. It will be no problem. It said the audience shouldn't at the home place, shouldn't at the home place. So now it's no problem. Okay. And also the offset, the A voltage cut. Yes. Now it's already set up, finished. So next is we choose the program files, program and field manager, and choose one. This one. This. Enter this one and use this one. Execute. Have a look. This place it will be have a few minutes. But now these two numbers now it is key 3. So we should be change it to key 1. It will be same with these two. Key 1 here is key 1. So here also will be should be key 1. 2 set. And then here have 1, 2 number. Come down. This one change to 1. Enter. It's okay. It said the tool will be not going to there to change the tool. It only use this one. It's okay. And then next is use this one. And use this one. Use this one. This is the meaning. It said use the hand wheel working, it will be working. If not use the hand wheel, it's not working. See, it's working now. Okay. That's all. If now, for example, now it's first program is finished. First program is finished. Then what we should do next is we do the second. So now we should do is change the tool first. Change the tool. And then the X we move. We change the tool. This is the second program used. We put on. This one we make the program, it is key 1, so this place also will be the key 1. Now we should do is only the Z should do something, the Z. The Z should do something. The same, the Y, like the other same. Y087. Okay, the other seam. So now the Y is in center. So now we measure this down. Okay. Now we set up the Z once again. Z. Because the two lengths is not the same, so now we should do this one once. Now this one no use to change. Next is we change the program files to second. Program, field manager, and for example, this one. Enter, use this one. And then use this one, and use this one, use this one. For working. And run this one. If it's working, no problem. If it's working, no problem. So it will be okay. Now. Okay, it's just like this. If all things finished, this one, and this one, and there will be better. And then, while all the things work finished, you fill it the hole. Okay, now, so that's all. Voilà.